In this video, we will discuss about the properties of thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Or otherwise, in exams, they used to ask 4 marks question. What are the differences between thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics? So that I am going to explain. We discussed about the thermoplastic and thermosetting. So thermoplastic is a soft material. When you burn, it melts, but thermosetting plastic is not like that. Once if you mold into a shape, that it cannot be possible to make into mold into another shapes, or it cannot you cannot be burned. It will give char, means burning and becoming black. So we will discuss more about the properties of these two type of plastics. The first one is coming to the thermoplastics. It becomes a softer on heating and harden when cool. When you heat, it becomes a soft. When you cool, it becomes hard material. But here coming to the thermosetting plastics, when you mold it into a shape, allowed to cool down, will remain in the molded form only. Once if you prepare an item, it will be in that form only. When heat again, they will char, means when you heat again that object. Suppose if you take here a plastic bottle, when you heat it, that you can melt it, and you will get a liquid. That liquid you can use for any other items in the preparation, you can use it. So in thermoplastics, but in the thermosetting plastic, once if you prepare an item, then you cannot be used that item. Why? Because once if you heat and prepare an item, that again it cannot be used, it cannot be heated. If you heat, it will not melt into the liquid state, it becomes char, they will char. So this is the advantage of these thermosetting plastics. Now, second point is the polymers turns into the liquid. When you heat, I said you know, these are turns into the liquids. When you cool, then it becomes glassy state, like a shiny glassy state. And with thermosetting plastics, once if you mold it, it cannot be remolded. Once if you mold an this plastic items, again by heating, it cannot be remolded. Next, these items by heating you can reshape, means you from collecting the different plastic comb, plastic brush, plastic pens and plastic bucket, all these items you take it and heat, you will get a liquid. That liquid you can use for to prepare another items, either a plastic sheet or something, you can use it. But these items cannot be formed, it is not possible by this thermosetting plastics. Now, what are the examples of thermosetting? Comb, bucket, mug, brush, all this PVC, all this comes under this. Now, thermosetting plastics in this melamine products and what are the backlight products. And you can see that products in the handles of the utensils, cookers, pans. If you find out that handles, when you heat the vessel, that vessel becoming very hot, you cannot touch, but you can touch that vessel by using the handle part. You can touch it, you can lift that vessel, you can keep from one place to the other by touching the, by holding that handles. Means these are the, these thermosetting plastics are the poor, poor conductor of heat. These materials are the poor conductor of heat, and at the same time poor conductor of electricity also. Means through that plastic items, electricity does not flow, and heat also it does not pass. So for these thermosetting plastics are used as the handles and in the switchboards, and we have different types of tapes. For all they are using this. Next, in the thermoplastics, the monomers are arranged in the linear arrangement in a long chain. But coming to the thermosetting plastic, these monomers are arranged in the cross-linked. So due to the linear arrangement, these thermoplastics are weak. Weak means when you burn it, the links are breaked easily. But coming to the thermosetting plastics, due to the cross-linked arrangement, it is very difficult to break the link between the monomers. Next, thermoplastics are weak on heating and it become very strong. Then thermosetting plastics are becoming very hot and they will char. So these are the points. This is very important. Write the differences between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. If you know more points, you can write it and you can draw the diagrams. Okay, students, understand?